Good morning, Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Markets, and it'll trade September tomorrow. Even though today is the rollover, tomorrow I actually start trading the December, the Christmas contract. So I'm trying to sell another four up here at 62.25. Already short two right here at 57.75, and looking to sell another, actually four. Sell another four down here if it takes out this low, and that's at 53.50. So. Um, I think there's a downward bias today. It just hasn't unfolded. We've got the good selling here. Now we don't. There's a nice red bar which is comparable to the green. It's the middle of the three of the aggression bars that we have on both the buy and sell sides. So the thing I don't like about the buy side is that you can see yesterday's high rate here. We've come up very close to it today. Couldn't go beyond it. Started attracting some selling, and it looks to me like we're going to get quite a bit more of it today. So that's really what I'm thinking. And the next real target isn't down until this area in here. After should the low of the day get taken out. So I'm going to take a look at. I'll because we will get short another four if we get filled there. So I'm going to go ahead and try and buy back four of the eight. See, I'm assuming right now that this other one's going to get filled. Sell stop here, and I think I'll put it down here. Now our average price will be roughly at 55. I'll put it around 47. Yeah, right about here, 47.50. Just a slight new low to buy four back. So that'll give us a nice 55 to 47. Be about an 8-point profit, something like that, on the first four contracts. So that's really what I'm looking at the time being, and I'll go ahead and pause the recording here and pick it back up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the computer or the trade. A few minutes later, just see it's just gone 7 o'clock here. So we did get filled at our other expectation. So I've got the buy limit here at 47.50. So I'm just going to put a marker in here. Just make a couple of these markers for us. And it looks like I hit our price. There we go, 47.50, and our average price right here. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this here. Okay, so we're out of the first half of the position from an average price of 55.75. And I need to put a buy stop in here. Let's go ahead and put the buy stop in right in this area here at 50. I'll put it at 53.75. Put our buy stop in there. We'll lock in at least a couple of points on that. And I'll use this marker over here to see that. Okay, there we go. So everything's in place. Things are working out nicely. So once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording again for a moment. It's 7:08. The market has bounced up very close to our stop, so obviously we're in jeopardy of being stopped. But I did just want to tell you as well that I did put another buy limit down here for two contracts down at 33.75, just in case we get a really good spike here. So it doesn't appear that's going to happen, but I did put that order in. I want to let you know. And of course we got our buy stop here to salvage at least a couple of points out of this move. It's moved from 55 all the way down to 44. So what's that? That's about roughly 11 points, and we're in jeopardy of only making a couple of points on the last half of this position. But at any rate, just want to bring you up to date on that. Once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, just to resume the recording. We just got stopped right here, so just 2 points on the second half of the position, and we were able to get 11 from 55.75. It was actually 7. Yeah, it was 47 to 55, so it was 8. So it was a tick under 8. So that was on 4 contracts. So 8 times 4 is 32. So it's 31 points there. So that's nice. And then we've got 4 contracts at 2 each for another 8 points. So 39 points total on that trade. So worked out fairly nicely. It's pretty volatile here. So we'll see if this weight heaviness of the market can continue, and see if we get more sell-off. I think it's certainly possible, although I do like the fact that the market has come up here and tested the top of that red, fairly close to the top of this red. It hasn't. There's a very good rejection off of here, so we'll just have to wait and see. I'm going to cancel this, obviously. So, but this trade worked out nice. We'll see what we can get for the rest of the day. Still got a lot of trading left in the day. So, you see, we're 7:12 here. So the market's only been open for 42 minutes. So we're bound to get some other opportunities in here today. And as I said a moment ago, I'm still trading the September contract, and I will do that today. And it'll be the last day for me to trade the September contract. And then I'll start on the December, the Christmas contract, starting tomorrow. The reason I trade the September today is that even though today is rollover, and a lot of people do roll over, I've found that still there's more volume in the front month, i.e. the September contract, for this day on the actual rollover day on the Thursday. So yeah, I can see it. Look at that. We just got stopped there and it's coming back down. So, at any rate, that'll be it for today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.